Hello, my LM3 students. It's Teacher Candice again. How are you? Candy is fine. So today we are going to make up the class for June 7th. June 7th. Are you ready? Now let's watch a video first. Okay, are you ready? Go! Our video we're talking about counting uncountable nouns. So we need to use the major words. OK， 我们知道不可数名词的时候，我们如何去数它呢？我们必须要借用到我们的 major words. Major words that mean 我们的单位量词，就像我们中文来讲的，就是单位量词。好 ，So now let's watch to our video. Ready? Go.
Hello again, everyone. This video is about counting uncountable nouns. And we're going to use measure words to do it.
好，刚刚讲到的就是我们要用那个 measure words 来去数这个不可数的名词。那我们接下来看如何做。
So, how can we count uncountable nouns? As I said, we use measure words to count them. And I'm going to talk about some of the most common uncountable nouns, mostly food, and how we count them in this video. Let's begin with a very common uncountable noun, bread. Now, let's say you have some bread and you want to tell someone exactly how much you have. We know that bread is uncountable, but we can count a slice, meaning one slice of bread, or slices of bread. Maybe 2 slices.
Okay, a slice of bread. A slice of bread. 它讲的是说，有一片的面包 ，slices of bread。就是比如说，我如果是复数型的话，我可以讲 two slices of bread. Two slices of bread. OK， 好，2片的面包，因为 bread is uncountable. Bread is uncountable, so we have to use measure words. Okay, so let's keep going.
Or 3 slices. Or we can say a piece of bread or 2 pieces of bread. You see, when we use that structure of a piece.
好 a piece of bread, 2 pieces of bread. 什么是刚刚讲的 slice 是一片一片一片。A piece of bread， 它在这里是一块面包 ，OK， 2 pieces of bread， 就是我在讲a piece 的时候，它的后面不可以加 s， 因为它这里的一片这个一块的这个块呢，它是只有单数一块而已。那我2块，我这边就可以加 s 了，对不对？可以加 s，OK。So let's keep going. Go.
Of bread. It's always of the uncountable noun. All right? Or it's the whole bread we call a loaf of bread. Or loaves of bread. That's the plural of loaf. All right? So just remember that structure. And pretty much all of these uncountable nouns, when we use these measure words, they use of and then the uncountable noun, whatever it happens to be. If it happens to be a slice, a piece.
OK， 好，它讲的是刚刚我们讲 a loaf， 当然是一整块的时候，我可以用 a loaf。A loaf 这是一整块的面包 ，a loaf of bread 或者是一整条的。那你记得它的 pronouns loaf。等一下 ，Teacher Candy take out the pen. Loaf。它如果是复数型的话，还记得我们之前有教过名词的复数型，我如何把它变化呢？如果是字尾 f 的话，我就是去掉 f 变成 ves， 叫做 loaves of bread。Loaves of bread. Okay? Now, so let's keep going.
A loaf, it's always of the uncountable noun. All right, and let's look at some more. If we want to count any kind of meat or fish in general, for example, beef, pork, chicken, again, or fish, we can count it by saying a piece of meat. You can say a piece of pork or whatever, a slice of meat, or a hunk of meat. All right? Again, you can use all of these. You can substitute meat for.
Okay, do you know meat? Meat 就是 What does meat mean? Meat 就是肉。那刚刚讲到的肉有哪几种 ？For example, beef 就是牛肉 ，pork 是猪肉，还有一个 chicken 是什么？鸡肉 ，and fish 鱼肉，这些全部都是 uncountable。那我们可以用哪一些那个 measure words？We can use a piece of meat 一块一块的，如果把它切成一小块，那你也可以把它切成一片的肉，可不可以切片？叫肉片嘛，就是吃火锅的时候需要吃到火锅的猪肉片、牛肉片，所以你也可以说 a slice of meat, slice of pork, slice of beef 什么的，就是一片的这样。那 hunk 就是一大块，a hunk of meat。A hunk of meat. 那我们接下来 let's keep going.
Whatever one you want. Fish, a piece of pork, a piece of chicken, okay? A slice of meat, all of those. Because the measure word piece is countable. So we can say pieces of meat. Or we can use another one, slice. A slice of meat. Or slices of meat.
Slices.
If we want to count them. If you want to count more than one. And then we can even use hunk. A hunk of meat or hunks of meat. Got it?
Yeah.
We can also use the countable noun slice for things like cheese. We can count a slice of cheese, that's one slice, or slices of cheese, it's more than one slice. Or with cheese, the word that's used a lot is chunk, a chunk of cheese, or chunks of cheese.
A chunks of cheese.
How about butter?
Butter.
Can we count butter? Well, we can count
cannot
a slice of butter is one slice,
just a
or
slice of
slices, more than one slice, or the whole, what we call a stick of butter, or sticks of butter. We can count sticks, maybe 3, 4 sticks. We also use the measure word or measure words slice and piece for fruit. We say a slice of fruit, or slices of fruit, or a piece of fruit, or pieces of fruit. And for other uncountable nouns or food or whatever we're trying to count and it's an uncountable noun, we use containers.
Containers.
Why do we use?
好 containers 就是我们的容器。当我们在数这些不可数的名词的时候，我可以借用容器来数这些 uncountable nouns。比如说 water， 你那边那一滩的水你不知道多少，可是我把它装在一个杯子里面或者装在一个碗里面，你会知道 water 它是有1杯、2杯、1碗、2碗的汤还是什么的，这些的东西你可以用到 containers， 就是我们的容器来去计算。Okay, so let's keep going.
Containers? Well, we can count containers. So a very common container is a bowl. So let's begin by using bowl and see what we can count with a bowl. 4 very common, uncountable food nouns are rice, soup, cereal, and pasta. And all of these can be counted by using a bowl. We say a bowl of rice, or soup, or cereal, or pasta, or we can say bowls. We can count the bowls, right? Bowls of rice, bowls of soup, bowls of cereal, or bowls of pasta.
Okay?
Another popular container is a jar.
Jar.
And usually we put sticky stuff in the jar.
玻璃罐。
Maybe not always, but it's usually in there. For example, jelly, a jar of jelly, or jam, a jar of jam, a jar of peanut butter, or a jar of honey. And then, to make it plural or to count those, we can say jars of jelly, or jars of jam, or jars of peanut butter, or jars of honey. Another common container is a box. And very common ones are a box of cereal, or let's say a box of pasta. And then you have more than one box, there are boxes. Boxes of cereal and boxes of pasta. Bags are also very popular for counting things, such as flour, a bag of flour, a bag of rice, or sugar. One bag. Or, again, bag is countable, so we can say bags of flour, bags of rice, or bags of sugar. We also use cartons or a carton to count things, such as juice, a carton of juice, or a carton of milk, or a carton of ice cream. And if we have more than one carton, we can say cartons, right? Cartons of juice, cartons of milk, and cartons of ice cream. A bottle is also very, very common. You'll see bottles of everything, right? In the store or wherever. And it's a place where we keep liquid. So very common is a bottle of beer, a bottle of soda, a bottle of wine, or a bottle of water. And if we have more than one, we can say bottles of beer, bottles of soda, bottles of wine, and bottles of water. And another common container is a glass. And we use it a lot for liquids. We say a glass of beer, a glass of juice, a glass of wine, a glass of water, which is very common. All right, or we can count the glasses. Glasses of beer, glasses of juice, glasses of wine, or glasses of water. Another popular container that we use is a tube. And we use it to count things such as toothpaste, a tube of toothpaste, a tube of glue, or...
Okay, tube 是软管，软管就是管状的。Okay, for example, toothpaste 就是像牙膏 ，glue 像有一些glue 它是条状的，它是软管可以挤出来的，那它可以挤出来的东西我们叫 tube，OK？ 还有像这个口红，它是这样可以旋转出来的，我们可以说管状的可以把它用出来的，那我们叫做 tube，OK？
We even use it for a tube of lipstick. They come in tubes, right? So we say tubes, tubes of toothpaste, tubes of glue, or tubes of lipstick. A can is a very popular container, and we use it for such things as a can of tuna, a can of beer, a can of soda, a can of meat, any kind of meat, or fish. And if there's more than one can, we say cans of tuna, cans of beer, cans of soda, or cans of meat. Another very popular measure word is bar. And we use bars to count things like chocolate. We can say a bar of chocolate, or a bar of soap, or a bar of gold. And if there's more than one, we say bars. Bars of chocolate, bars of soap, or bars of gold, if you're lucky.
OK， 好 ，a bar of 就是一块的，比如说条状的，像 chocolate 它是这样条状的，那你的肥皂也是这样一块，有点条块式的，那像 soap 还有 gold 黄金金条，这些都是条块状的，所以我们会用 a bar of。OK，let's keep going.
Okay, that's all for this video. And here's a summary. You can pause the video and take a look at everything that we just did.
So let's go back to our speed up book. Let's turn to Unit 5. What are we getting at the supermarket? What are we getting at the supermarket? 我们在超级市场可以买到什么呢 Okay, let's take a look. The first one, we say a piece of. 好，一片。刚刚我们讲到 a piece， 一片一片的。A piece of pizza. Can you see the pizza? Yes, pizza is here. Okay. Number 2, a bag of chips. A bag of chips. 好，一包的什么洋芋片 Can you see chips? I can circle here chips. Okay. Number 3, a bunch 一串的 a bunch of banana. A bunch of banana 一串的香蕉 Okay, next one, a bottle of milk. A bottle of milk. 刚刚我们在讲的时候就有一瓶，刚刚有讲到我们的影片里面有介绍到一瓶、两瓶、三瓶的 a bottle of milk. 好，一瓶的牛奶，要记得上次 Teacher N 有提醒你们 bottle 后面要加上 of 哦。Okay, next one, we're going to a bowl of salad. A bowl of salad. 一碗的什么沙拉 Next one, a jar of jam. A jar of jam. Jar 就是玻璃罐 A jar of jam. 果酱都会放在玻璃罐里面 Okay, a carton of eggs. A carton of eggs 就是一盒的或者是纸盒装的，我们叫做 a carton. Okay, 一盒的什么鸡蛋 Next one, an ear of corn. 这里 ear 呢，为什么要用 ear？用台语来讲，就是我们在讲玉米的时候，我们会讲几穗耶玉米，所以我们会用 an ear。因为为什么不是 a ear 呢？因为它前面是母音，所以后面的 a 要变成 an ear of corn. Next one is a head of lettuce.好，一颗的头，一颗，好，不是一颗头 a head of the head 不是 You should say a head of lettuce. A head of lettuce. 一颗的，不是头，是一颗的什么莴苣 Next one, a can of tuna. Tuna. 好，这个是鱼罐头，对不对 A can of tuna. Next one, a box of cereal. OK, 我现在再把旁边这些字有介绍出来，你要把它记得写上去，因为接下来这是你的录音功课哦。I remind you to have write down pizza, chips, banana, milk, salad, jam, eggs, and corn, lettuce, tuna, cereal, and a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. 一条的面包，就是它如果是长条状的，我们就说 a loaf of bread。好，这个是我们的录音功课，所以我先提醒你，先把那个 bread 可以先写在旁边 OK? So now let's turn to page 43. Okay? Now so look at the picture and circle the right words. Okay? Number 1, what is that? The picture is eggs. So you have to say a jar of eggs or a carton of eggs. Yes, that is a carton of eggs. Number 2, lettuce. So you have to say a bottle of lettuce or a head of lettuce. Yes, you are right, a head of lettuce. Okay, number 3, corn. So you should say an ear of corn or a head of corn. Yes, you have to say an ear of corn. Number 4, bread. You have to say a loaf of bread or a box of bread. Okay, you have to say a loaf of bread. Okay, number 5, Coke. 它是 那个罐子的，所以我 I have to say a bag of Coke or a can of Coke. Yes, a can of Coke. Number 6, cereal. Cereal. You have to say a box of cereal or a bottle of cereal. Okay, yes, you have to say a box of cereal. Okay, let's move on to next page. Okay, we are going to Mr. Grammar. Mr. Grammar, are you ready? Let's turn to page 46. 46. We have to make a question. How blah blah blah. 我们现在要做这个 question 的Q&A question and answer 的一个练习。For example, this one is a lemon. So you have to say, how does a lemon taste? 好 test. Do you know what is a test? 好 test 就是尝。How does a lemon taste? Lemon 尝起来是怎样的？好，这里呢 a lemon only one, so I need to ask them how does. 为什么要用 does 不是 how do 呢？因为 does 给3单用，这个是只有一个第三人称单数，所以 a lemon 单数型，所以我要用 how does a lemon taste? How does a lemon taste? So your answer will be, it tastes sour. It tastes sour. Okay, don't forget, 因为 a lemon, so you have to say single. You have to say the single, 就是单数型的 it. It tastes. 前面是3单，后面的动作要加上 s. It tastes sour. It tastes sour. Okay, so let's move on to next part. Sour 就是酸的。This one, number 2 is a coffee. So how to say that? How does coffee taste? 我知道了，因为呢 coffee 是 uncountable. 还记得 Teacher Candy 上次有讲，好 uncountable 我们要视为单数型，所以我要用 how does coffee taste? How does coffee taste? 好，单数型问，单数型回 it tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. Do you know what is bitter? Bitter 就是苦苦的 bitter. Okay? So let's move on to next part. Ooh, can you see how many lemons there? 1, 2. 2 lemons, right? 有2颗柠檬 So 这是单数了吗？ No, 就是复数型，所以我不能用 how does 哦，所以我要用什么？ How do lemons taste? How do lemons taste? You have to say, 如果是复数型问，它是复数型的名词，我回答的时候要我的代名词就要用 they taste sour. They taste sour. Okay? Sour 还记得是酸的。Okay, now next one. Let's move on to next part. What's this? That is chili pepper. Chili pepper 呢，就是我们的辣椒。How do chili peppers taste? How do chili peppers taste? Okay, so you can see chili peppers, we have more than one, right? So we don't say how does, we have to say how do. How do chili peppers taste? So 复数型的问句，所以你要用复数型来回答 chili peppers. 所以我要回答的是 They taste spicy. They taste spicy. Do you know what is spicy? Yes. 辣辣的 it's spicy. Okay. Teacher Candy like to eat spicy hot pot. 我喜欢吃麻辣火锅 spicy hot pot. Okay. Hot pot 就是那个什么火锅的意思。Okay, let's move on to next part. So let's build. is on page 44. On page 44. So we can see, try and guess what food. 现在我让你猜猜看哦，他吃到的是什么食物呢？ Try 试试看 and guess 来猜猜看 what food 是什么食物呢？好 ，So we can see the number one sweet。什么东西藏起来是 sweet？ 他们等一下要告诉我，这我们可以用放进来我们的问句里面的，可以形容这个食物的，它是甜的，它是酸的，它是辣的。So sweet 甜的 ，sour 酸的 ，spicy 辣的 ，bitter 好苦哦。OK bitter 苦的，酸甜苦辣。OK now so let's move on to our story. Okay, now let's guess number one. Foot one. Foot one. 猜猜看哦 Foot one. It is a snack. 它是一个点心。It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. 它尝起来是甜甜的。It's brown. Brown. 它是棕色咖啡色的。And hard. And hard.Hard 就是硬硬的，硬硬的。OK, it is a snake. It tastes sweet. It's brown and hard. So could you tell me what is that? Yeah, it's chocolate. Is it right? Yes, chocolate. Okay, let's move on. Let's guess. Food two. Food two. Food two. It is a fruit. It is a fruit. 它是一个水果。It tastes sour. Sour 会酸酸的。It's green and round. It's green and round. 它是绿色而且是圆的。It is a fruit. It tastes sour. It's green and round. So what is that? Yes, that is a lemon. Did you get it? Okay, so let's keep going to our food three. Food three. Now, so food three. It is a vegetable. It tastes spicy. It tastes spicy and it's red. 它是蔬菜的一种，吃起来是辣辣的。And it tastes and it's red. 而且它是红色的。Can you guess what's that? Yes, it's a chili pepper. Chili pepper, chili pepper. OK, 它是一只辣椒，所以好，辣椒是 vegetable and tastes spicy and color is red. Okay, so let's move on to food four. Food four. It is a liquid. Liquid, 这是液体哦。Sorry, 被你们猜到了。It is a liquid. 它是一个液体，就是液态的。It tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. It's brown and it makes you not want to sleep. 好，它是液态的，它是那个什么液体的东西，而且吃起来是 bitter，还记得 bitter 是苦苦的，苦苦的。It's brown， 它是咖啡色。And it makes you not want to sleep. 它会让你没办法睡觉，那是什么呢？ Yes, it's coffee. Yes, coffee. Did you get it? 你们都猜对了吗？ Good job. Okay, now so let's move on to next page. Okay, 一样在 page 44。对不起 ，sorry， 一样在 page 44呢。我们是不是有一个下面的部分 ？Number one, let's look at number one. Chocolate taste. 巧克力尝起来的味道是什么呢 ？Spicy, sweet, sour, or bitter. So which one? Yes, it's sweet. Okay, look at number 2. With number 2? Number 2 is here. A lemon taste. Spicy? Sweet? Bitter? Or sour? So, number 2, a lemon taste. Sorry. Number 2, a lemon taste sour. OK， 第3题我的答案被你看到了。Number 3, a chili pepper taste. A chili pepper taste spicy, 辣辣的。OK, Number 4, coffee taste bitter. Coffee taste bitter 是苦苦的。OK, so let's take out your homework book, your workbook. Speed out workbook. Let's turn to page 26. Did you take out your workbook? Okay, page 26. 26页。Look at the picture and finish the shopping list. 现在呢，这一页呢是你的 homework。OK， 这一页是你的 homework。How to do this homework? I will give you an example. OK， 接下来呢，我要请你帮我在这一页的 shopping list， 就是这个购物清单上面帮我完成如何他要购买的东西有哪些。Number 1, a carton of 好一个纸盒的什么？一盒的什么 egg? So you have to write down egg. A carton of eggs. Number 2, a lettuce. Lettuce， 请你把单位量词 lettuce 我应该用哪一个单位量词？是自己想。That will be your homework. Number 3, 2 of milk. 2 of milk. 2什么的牛奶？2什么？2瓶的牛奶。So how to say 2瓶 ？2什么？ So number 4, a loaf of 什么？ How can you can finish this shopping list by yourself? Okay, so let's move on to page 27. 好 page 27, number 1. Okay, find a different word and write name below. 对不起，我先把它弄到最前。sorry。好 ，sorry， 第9个语把答案给你们看了哈。好 ，Number 1， 我们看一下为什么要圈这个呢 ？Find the different word and write name below. OK, Number 1， 我为什么要圈 banana？ 因为 carrot, cabbage, potato, they are vegetables. OK, so banana is fruit. Number 2. Coffee, pizza, milk, and Coke. What we need to circle pizza because coffee, milk, and Coke they are liquid. 它们都是那个液体的。Number 3. 所以我们的 Number 2 pizza 它不是液体的，所以我就要 circle pizza. Okay. Number 3. Lettuce, chocolate, corn, broccoli. What we need to circle chocolate. That means.Lettuce, corn, and broccoli, they are vegetables, okay? So, number 4, strawberry, red, yellow, green. Okay? So, as you can see, red, yellow, green, they are colors. And strawberry, it's a fruit. Okay, number 5, piece bag, Coke bottle. Piece bag,Coke bottle. So you have to circle. Yes, you have to circle Coke because Coke you can drink, right? Piece, bag, bottle. They are major words. 它们是单位量词，一片、一包、一瓶。Number 6, fried salad, tuna, and jug. 好 ，So which one is different? 哪一个是不同的？Fries 薯条 ，salad 沙拉。Tuna 鲔鱼 jar 就是玻璃罐 ，so you have to circle jar because jar 是不同的，它不可以吃。Fries, fries, salad, tuna you can eat, right? So, we need to write them below. 我们圈出来这几个字呢，把它写在下半部分。So we need to turn to next slide. Number one. 刚刚写的 number one 是什么 ？banana。Number two 写的是什么 ？pizza。Number three 我们写的是什么 ？chocolate。Number four 我们写的是什么 ？strawberry。Number five we circle Coke。Number six we circle jar. So banana, pizza, chocolate, strawberry, Coke, jar. Can you guess what is the secret words?有没有猜得到我们的秘密的字是什么呢 ？Secret words 就是这里呢有看到有一些灰色的字吗？这里有灰色的这一些，好，这些字呢，我们里面是什么东西呢 ？Let's check. It is. Can you show me what is the secret words? Okay, that is bitter. 请你 write down bitter. bitter 帮我写在下面 That is the secret word Okay Let's move on to next page Okay page 29第29页是我们的 homework That will be our homework But I will give you some example Number one So it's red No It's a flute. 它是一个 flute 吗 Yes. It tastes sour. 它尝起来是酸酸的吗Yes. It tastes sour. 你勾起来之后帮我写上去 It's the flute. And then it tastes sour. Sorry. It tastes sour. It tastes sweet? No. It's yellow? No. It's a drink? 它是 drink 吗 No. 好，如果你把它挤出来的汁也是可以喝的 OK. So number two. It's brown. Coffee. Number two, coffee, right? So it's brown, yes or no? Yes. It's a vegetable. It's a vegetable, yes or no? No. Number three, it tastes bitter. 它尝起来是苦的吗 Yes. It tastes spicy. 它尝起来是辣辣的吗 No. It's orange. No. 它是橘色的吗Yuck. Number five, it's a drink. 它是可以喝的吗 Yes. So you have to write down the three sentences as below, okay? 在下面请你写三个句子，把它写在这个下面的句里面 okay? That will be your homework. Let's move on to number three. 那我们看到 number three. Okay, it's brown? No. It's a vegetable? Yes. Also, it tastes spicy? Yes. It's a vegetable? Yes. It's orange? No. It tastes bitter? It tastes bitter? No. It's a drink? No. So please copy down the two sentences as below, okay? Number four. It's green. No. It tastes sweet. 它尝起来是甜的吗 Yes. Number four 的下面 Is a flute? No. Is yellow? Yes. It tastes bitter? No. It's a vegetable? Yes. So you have to write down three sentences. Okay? So let's move on to next part. So let's take a break. We are going to learn our phonics show. We are move on to Unit 9. 我们要教的是第9单元 UB and UG. So let's watch a video and take a break. And then please take out your phonics show book. Okay, ready? Go.
Ugh. Up. Let's learn words in the up family. Up, up, up. Up tub. Up cup. Up rub. Up sub. Ugh. Let's learn words in the ugh family. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Ugh, bug. Ugh, hug. Ugh, jug. Ugh, mug. Let's read the words. Tub, cup, rub, sub, bug, hug, jug, mug.
Yeah. Okay, did you take out your funny show book? Let's turn to Unit 8. Oh, sorry, Unit 9. We are going to, please turn to page 44. 我们现在翻开第44页。Okay, the curb helps the bug. The curb helps the bug. Curb. 好 curb 就是幼兽，就是比如说大型的哺乳类的那种动物，它的 baby 我们叫做 curb 叫做幼兽，幼小的幼，兽是野兽的兽。Okay, now a curb helps the bug. This one is a bug. 虫子，小虫子。Okay, let's move on to our page 44的45的 Okay, the bug moves in today. Once again, the bug moves in today. Moves in 叫做搬家，它搬进来了，它今天搬进来了哦，所以小虫子今天搬进来了。The bug wants a new friend. The bug wants a new friend. 他想要交一个新的朋友，因为搬了新家，所以我要认识新的朋友哦。So let's move on to next part. Okay. Now can you see? The bug moves a rock. The bug moves a rock. The bug moves a rock. 好，这个小虫子呢，它搬了什么呢？它搬了一个这个什么 rug 小毯子。它搬了这个小毯子要干什么呢？我们来看一下，可能等一下有用。Next one, the curb wants to help the bug. The curb wants to help the bug. 好，这个幼兽呢，它应该是大型的，比如说像熊的 baby， 所以我们就说幼兽。The curb wants to help the bug. 好，这个呢，幼兽它想要去帮这个小虫子哦。So what will be happen in the future? 在未来会发生什么事呢？我们不知道。我们在下次的教学影带里面，我们会继续去做这个部分的故事的接续的练习哦。Okay, so let's review again. Okay, the bug moves a rug. The cube wants to help the bug. Okay, so now, everybody, today I'm going to tell you our homework. Number 1, please write speed up workbook, page 26 and 29. 我刚刚有做引导了，所以请你把它完成 speed up workbook, page 26 and 29. And today homework, we have recode speed up book, unit 5, page 41到42. 好，刚刚 Teacher Penny 在一开始的时候有请你看到哦，这一页我是不是说 a piece of pizza？ 所以你要把 pizza 念出来。So recode 你必须要录音 recode speed up book unit 5 page 41 42， 请你传给我们的 Teacher Anya page 41 to 42的那个音档。OK, so hang in your 你的那个表单 Google 的 list， 帮我在这个礼拜5的8点之前先完成。如果看完教学影带，就先把这个5题简单的作业表单把它提交，这样我们就知道你有看完我们的作业，我们的影片咯。So everybody, see you next time. Bye bye.